Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you're all doing great. Today, I'm diving into a crucial topic for all you content creators out there. Copyright infringement. It's something that can affect anyone who creates or shares content online. Let's break it down in just 3 minutes. Stick around because this is important stuff. So what exactly is copyright infringement? You might have heard the term before, but what does it really mean? In simple terms, it's the unauthorized use of someone else's work. This means using their creation without their permission. This could be anything from a song, video clip, image, or even a piece of writing, basically any original work that someone has created. If you use it without permission, you're infringing on their copyright. Now let's dig deeper into what this means for you. Copyright gives the creator exclusive rights to their work. This means they have control over how it's used. They decide how it's distributed, reproduced, and even how it's displayed. It's their creation, and they get to call the shots. When you infringe on this right, you're essentially taking away their control. This can have serious implications, and trust me, the consequences can be serious. You could face legal action, fines, and even damage to your reputation. You might be wondering, but can't I use stuff under fair use? Fair question. Let's talk about that. Fair use is a legal doctrine that allows limited use of copyrighted material without permission. But it's not as simple as it sounds. This usually applies to commentary, criticism, news reporting, teaching, or research. These are specific scenarios where fair use might apply. However, it's not a free pass. You can't just claim fair use and do whatever you want. The use must be transformative, meaning it adds new expression or meaning to the original work. It should be something new and different. And it shouldn't impact the market value of the original. If it does, it's likely not fair use. Still confused? Let's consider an example. Suppose you're making a YouTube video and want to include a clip from a popular movie. This is a common scenario. If you just drop the clip in without any changes, that's infringement. You're using someone else's work without adding anything new, but if you use the clip to critique the movie, add your own commentary, and make it part of a larger discussion, it might fall under fair use. The key is transformation. The key here is adding value and context. You need to make it your own in some way. So, how can you avoid copyright infringement? Let's go over some practical tips. First, always ask for permission. It might seem like a hassle, but it's the safest route. Reach out to the content owner and get a license if necessary. This way you're covered. Second, use royalty-free or Creative Commons licensed content. These resources are great for creators. These are designed to be used by creators like you, often with minimal restrictions. Just make sure to check the terms. Lastly, consider creating your own content. It's more work, but it's worth it. Originality is always the safest bet. Plus, it's a great way to showcase your creativity. All right, folks, I hope that clears things up. Copyright infringement is a big deal, but with the right knowledge, you can navigate it safely. If you have any questions or need clarification on any terms, drop a comment below. I'm here to help. I'll be reading and responding to as many as I can. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. It helps the channel a lot. Thanks for watching and keep creating. Your creativity is your greatest asset. Catch you in the next one. Stay awesome.